Praise God. Did you know that God sent a priest just for me so that I can attend Holy Mass? Since so many months, I have not been missing Mass by the grace of God. And it happened that I was sent to Haryana to do a course for a week. So before going to Haryana, I searched for all the churches nearby and I could find only one church which is 10 kilometers away from the place that I was staying. I called up a priest. He gave me a number of another priest who stayed in Haryana long time back, and he gave me the number of a parish priest there. So when I called him up, he said that there are no daily masses available and only Sunday masses available. He said, however, there is a small convent in which they celebrate mass every day at 6:15 a.m. But if I have to go for the 6:15 mass, I'll have to leave at 5:45 a.m. And I got to know that there are no commute services available, no Uber, no Ola, nothing, because the place that I'm staying is very far from the city. And I reached Haryana. I tried all ways possible to somehow get to a church to receive communion, but I couldn't. So before going back to sleep that night, I sat on the bed and I told God, God, I really want to receive communion. I want to attend to Mass, but God, I surrender to your will. I really want to receive you, but if you don't want to come to me, God, it's your loss. And then I called up my friend and told her, bro, whenever you go for morning Mass, please do a video call so that I can attend live Mass rather than the online recorded version. And she agreed to it. The next day morning, I went for the first session. After I came from the first session, somebody came and spoke to me and they're like, what's your name? And I told my name is Felsi. He asked me, are you a Christian? I said, yes, I'm a Christian. And I asked him, what is your name, sir? And he told his name. And then I asked him, what do you do? And he said, I'm a priest. And I was like, what? And he said, I'm a priest. Anything wrong? And for a second, I was awestruck, surprised, shocked. I didn't know what to say to him at that time. And I asked him three questions. Father, do you celebrate personal mass every day? And he said, yes. Father, did you carry all the equipments required for the mass? And he said, yes. And then I asked, Father, can I please join you for personal mass every day? And he said, definitely yes. On that day, there was a sister in the group. So sister, myself and father celebrated personal mass. And that was the best experience I ever had. I would say, my dear friends, every single day for the course of 1 week, we could celebrate personal mass. After the first mass that I attended there, I burst out in tears with so much joy in my heart. I couldn't believe that God sent a priest just for me so that I can attend Holy Mass. My dear friends, 2025 is approaching. What are you waiting for? Challenge yourself to attend Mass every day, at least for a week or at least for a month. And you will see how beautifully God would work in your life. God bless you.